So this is a QPC model WV1250B12AHMTBC spec plate down here. Just reading that off for you. This is Quality Process Control Systems LLC, Holland, Michigan. It says 5 horsepower, FLA 5.6, SFA 6.4, SCCR 1000 KA. Yeah, that's this plate right here. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 100 KA. This unit I believe is new. It says it's got 10 hours on it, but I think it's tested because there's no projection for the power cord coming through, so I just have it temp wired in here. But this thing isn't drilled for power, and then if you look on the back side of this, there's no power anywhere. So I think those 10 hours are testing. It is, like I said, wired for 483 phase. Some of these controllers, like here, this is a Watlow Easy Zone PM4 C2 EJ-3RFJAA. This controller down here, which you can see is actually powered up, is a turbines FOXX-P-X1, and then this counter is just a counter. It's a Grassland counter. This is the heater, so it's got a pretty big heater, a Watlow. That's a FMN733A5W30, 480 volt, 12,000 watts. Over here, you'll see this is a Grundfos pump. It's a A98321984 P1160200001, and it is a 5 horsepower Grundfos pump. I'll get a picture of the spec plates on these. You can see it's got, stainless steel fittings. These look like flow controllers, some kind of a small vessel. It's got a little heat exchanger. These are one of those SWEP. I'll have to get a picture of the spec plate. And then here's another, a smaller bell door. It's a, let me see. It's a 1/4 horsepower bell door motor, with a small pump on the end. Probably a booster pump or something to that effect. It's got an ESCO valve, maybe. Another ESCO valve over here. Input, output, everything else. I am going to turn this thing on for a minute. It's going to start doing what it's going to do, but I'm going to turn it off because I don't want the heater because I don't have water hooked up to it. But so it's on emergency stop, but if you can see this pump just kicked on, it's probably bringing this up to pressure so they can kick on the next pump, but it's never going to get there because there's no water in the system. But I wanted to show you that this was working. This is powered up. Imagine if I click this pump on button. Yeah, it's going to shut down because it's got no, and I'll shut the whole thing down. It's got no pressure, and it's got a bunch of pressure switches on it to stop it from working. Overall, it's a great compact unit. Hell of a unit. I wish I knew its application because it's pretty neat. 483 phase. Outputs, pressure, inputs, drain maybe. If you got any questions, let me know. Oh, you know what? I could show you inside the panel real quick. I'll show you what I see. Allen Bradley 24 volt power supply, transformer, fuses, breakers, contactors. It's got a Panasonic, what is it, FPX C14R. More fuses. A couple of Allen Bradley switches. Yep, Allen Bradley switches. But really nice components, a really nice put together compact system. I mean, phew. Yeah, if you got any questions or you want me to do something else, or you need a part number that you can't see in the pictures or anything else like that, let me know. But I figured this video would help you see what's here. Let me see if I can get this in here. Yeah, it's not going to focus on that. Show me what I did with that little flashlight. There it is. I just want to see if I can get you a good view of the part number on that pump. Yeah, I mean, you can kind of see it. And that's the unit. If you got any questions or concerns, let me know. And thank you.